Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Houston Maritime Brain Injury Attorneys. Head injuries occur frequently in the maritime industry. Depending on the severity of the injury, lifelong treatment may be needed. In many cases, it may seem as though cases could have not been prevented. In reality, many brain injury accidents could have been prevented with the proper precautions. If that's the case, you may be able to file a claim under the Jonas Act. Some of the most common causes of brain injuries include broken equipment, conveyor belt accident, crane and cargo accident, improper safety guidelines or training, improperly stored equipment, lack of safety equipment, poor ship maintenance, slip and fall accident. And then about types of brain injury and common symptoms. When a maritime worker suffers a head injury, it's one of two types, a closed head injury and an open head injury. A closed head injury is when an injury doesn't cause the skull to be broken, fractured, or pierced. An open head injury is when the skull is pierced or fractured. Although open head injuries may seem more severe, closed head injuries are difficult to diagnose and can require extensive treatment. Common symptoms of brain injuries include cognitive damage, memory loss, trouble with the concentration and attention, sensory symptoms, loss of vision, hearing loss, or loss of taste or smell. Physical symptoms, seizures, headaches, paralysis, insomnia, chronic pains, or language difficulties. Behavior or emotional symptoms, irritability, anger, depression, or dramatic mood swings. And level of brain damage can have a serious impact on an employee's daily life, altering their personality and their ability to make a living. When a brain injury happens because an employer or coworker was negligent, it's vital for injured people to hold at fault parties accountable for their own sakes, the sake of other employees, and the sake of the loved ones they support. And then about maritime amputation injury lawyers. Although not all maritime injuries are caused by negligence, amputation injuries often are. If an employer or vessel owner fails to maintain equipment, train the crew, or create a safe work environment, it can cause serious injuries that require amputations. Some of these accidents may be caused due to the following: unsecure cargo, navigation conclusions, lack of safety and equipment trainings, defective and malfunctioning equipment. It is vital to work with equipment and machinery that is regularly maintained so that it is working correctly. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure that workers are properly trained to use the equipment. If your employer has not met this standard and you lose a limb as a result, he or she was negligent and should be held accountable. And then about amputation treatment. Surgery is required to treat a lost limb or to amputate a limb. Once you have had surgery, you may still need extensive physical and emotional therapy to help you adjust to the new reality of missing a limb or using a prosthetic limbs. This payment cost can be difficult for an injured maritime worker to handle, especially while supporting a family. Our firm often has to help our client rebuild their financial security in the wake of costly medical treatments. This is why it is vital to contact a maritime amputation injury attorney as soon as possible. And then about serious burn injury complications. Severe burn injuries can lead to serious complications if not treated properly. Third or fourth degree burn complications include hypothermia, resulting from the loss of body heat due to the damaged skin. 1. Hypovolemia, from damaged blood vessels causing your body to lose blood and other fluids. 2. Infections, resulting from the legs or protective barriers due to the damaged skin. 3. Joint difficulties, can result from the build-up of scar tissue. 4. Sepsis, can result from an infection. This is a life-threatening condition. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.